What's up, guys? This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal, back for the 127th episode. This is the conclusion on our trilogy of Inconel 625 certification videos. If you missed either of the previous two, please check the links in the description. In this final section, there is a long list of certification statements, so let's jump in. First up is a reference to ultrasonic testing, aka UT testing. We can see that the UT test was performed prior to cutting to final length. Next, there is a section stating that no weld repair has been performed on this material. In addition, that the material has been produced in compliance with aerospace standard AS6279. Next, we have a section explaining the abbreviations used on this report, as you can see here. Following that, we see the location of samples used for the impact tests and where they were taken, in this case, in the center of our 1.5-inch diameter bar. Next, we see the material was melted and manufactured in the USA and meets the specified origin requirements for defense contracts. Following that, we have confirmation that data presented is accurate and all testing is in compliance with specifications. Now we have a group of statements documenting approvals of the mill's quality system. So here we can see European PED, which stands for Pressure Equipment Directive. We see the NADCAP lab certification and Huntington Alloys Quality System Manual, revision, and date. Following that, quality system certifications for AS9100, EN9100, JIS9100, and ISO 9001, as you can see here. In addition, we can see that the lab is certified to ISO 17025. Lastly, down at the bottom, we have the GE Aviation. And so that is last of the system approvals. Let's jump back up, because a couple of the additional statements were intermixed. The certificate is compliant with EN 10204, type 3.1. Material is free of mercury, low melting, and radioactive contamination at time of shipment, and passed visual and dimensional examination, as you can see here. And lastly, you can see the methods of chemical analysis. So that's going to wrap us up, and that concludes our 625 certification talks. But before you go, don't forget, because I'm going to remind you too. Check. Specs. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. Michelin Metals is a full-service, value-added distributor and supplier of all things nickel and Inconel 625. Check the website for more info. If you're still here and haven't subscribed, I'd be really grateful. Think about it. Please. Missed last week's video? There. Dost your blows. Thank you for watching. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. I will see you next Thursday, 10 a.m., same time, same place. I'm out.